Saan pwedeng mag-invest to earn passive income, especially for beginners? Ito, sana nalaman ko na noon pa nung nag-start na akong kumita. But since we can't turn back the time, so I'm now passing this sa mga manunood ng video na ito who would like to start earning passive income through investments. Just to mention, I'm not a financial advisor and the things that I'm going to share are my own personal opinion. Pag sinabi mong investments, ito yung mga bagay na kung saan ay pwedeng kumita ng income para sa atin. Merong mga popular investments like stocks, bonds, real estates, pero mamaya ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pinaka-top choice ko at bakit. Ngayon, bago mo pasukin ang mundo ng investments, alamin mo muna kung ano ang risk tolerance mo. Meron kasing tinatawag na low risk, medium risk, or high risk. Kung mababa or low ang risk tolerance mo, dun ka sa mga investments na low risk like savings accounts. But with low risk investments, they usually have low return or income. Pero mababa rin yung risk na mawala yung pera mo or yung investments mo. Pag high risk naman, kabaliktaran. Mas mataas ang risk na mawala or hindi kumita ang pera mo and at the same time, much higher din ang income potential niya. So, mamimili ka ngayon, low risk ka ba or high risk? Pero, ang masasabi ko, pag magsisimula ka pa lang, it would be wise to start with low risk investments. And then, pag may experience ka na, then slowly diversify or magdagdag ng mga investments like medium or high risks. Hindi rin kasi advisable na ilagay natin lahat ang investments natin sa iisang lugar lang. Sabi ka nila, di ba? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Next, let's talk about investments na I would personally do if I'm going to start again. So without further ado, here are my top 5 best investments to earn passive income as a beginner, especially kung bagong dating ka lang sa Canada. Number 1, high yield savings account. This is considered low risk investments. These are not the usual savings account sa mga main banks. Usually, ang mga ito makikita sa mga rural banks or mobile banks or other non-traditional banks. Depende sa mga offers nila, pero they usually range from 4 to 6% per annum. Mas mataas yan kaysa sa mga interest rates ng mga regular banks na sometimes ay hindi pa umaabot ng 1% per annum. Now, after you set up your high-yield savings account, ito ang gagawin ninyo. You need to set up automatic transfer from your regular savings or checking account going to this high-yield savings account. Dapat automatic yan, monthly or twice a month. Now, why is it important to do this way? Because this is the easiest way to save. Kasi automatic siya. Hindi mo na kailangang mano-mano na ilipat yung pera mo papunta sa savings. Actually, yung concept na ito, I learned from a book, The Automatic Millionaire. There is this couple who have saved millions of dollars even they are just a normal people. When they were asked kung ano ang ginawa nila, bakit sila nakasave ng ganon karaming pera, ang sabi nila is nag-set up lang daw sila ng automatic transfer every month going to their savings account. 10% sa tithes, another percentage sa kanilang savings and investments. This technique is so effective because since it's automatic, hindi nila nakikita yung pera nila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nila ito na-i-spend or nagagastos. Automatic na siyang nag-accumulate. Plus, with the power of compounding interest, over time, lumalaki ng lumalaki ang savings nila. Magandang ilagay dito ang emergency fund mo kasi madali mo siyang maa-access. For emergency fund, I would save at least 3 to 6 months of my monthly expenses. Let's say, ang monthly expenses mo kasama na yung bahay, renta ng bahay, utilities, bills, ay $4,000 per month. So, i-times mo yan ng 3 to 6 months. So, that is $12,000 to $24,000. So, this is just for emergency fund, okay? From the word itself, emergency fund, if there's something unexpected na mangyayari, like masira ang car mo, or may magkasakit, or masira ang furnace, or appliances, may magagastos ka. Hindi mo na kailangang umutang para doon sa mga bagay na yon. Now, remember, your funds is in high-yield savings account. So, you are earning a higher interest at yung interest na na-earn mo, nadadagdag sa savings mo. So, padagdag ng padagdag ang savings mo. Pataas ng pataas ang interest na kinikita niya over time. Kakampi mo actually ang time dito. The earlier you do it, the more money you will accumulate by the power of compounding interest. Next investment is savings accounts that have tax advantages like TFSA or tax-free savings account, RRSP or Registered Retirement Savings Plan. These plans are great if you are saving for a down payment for a house or for retirement. May mga employer din na nagmamatch ng contribution mo sa RRSP. If you put money to RRSP, let's say $500, your employer will also put $500 to your RRSP. So it's something that's nice to have. Every year, merong maximum amount na pwede kang i-contribute towards these plans. And the interest you earn are tax-free, even if you withdraw funds and use it to buy your house through first-time home buyers plan. Next investment is index funds like S&P 500. This type of investment is for long-term, okay? Isa ito sa nire-recommend ni Warren Buffett, isa sa mga pinakamayaman sa buong mundo. If you want to have a sureable way to earn money, but you have to have it for a long time. Looking at the rate of return of S&P 500 for over 30 years, ang annual average is between 7 to 12%. Another good thing with S&P 500 is that it is a combination of top 500 companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, and many more. So, hindi lang nakadepende sa iisang stock yung investment mo. Before you invest in these things, of course, you have to learn and talk to financial advisors how you can start it. I myself have S&P 500 built into my life insurance. And during these past years, kahit nag-pandemic, kumita naman between 7 to 18%. Ang masasabi ko lang, if you want to invest in these things, the earlier, the better. And also, you have to consult with financial advisors again and learn how to do it. Next is real estate. If you have been watching my videos for quite some time now, you know how much I love real estate and how it can help you build wealth exponentially if done right. Kaya, pasok na pasok siya sa listahan ko. Ngayon, sa real estate, may dalawang klase yan. Meron tayong tinatawag na REIT or Real Estate Investment Trust at yung actual owning a rental property. Yung REIT or Real Estate Investment Trust, ito yung mag-i-invest ka sa isang companies na nagbi-build at nagmamanage ng different real estate properties. So, ang labas ay parang co-owner ka. So, you somehow own a real estate pero hindi ikaw ang nagmamanage. How this works is you are getting paid a dividend every month or quarter. Depende sa company kung kailan sila nagpi-payout. This is great if you would like to invest in real estate and don't want to manage the property yourself, or you don't have a down payment saved up yet to buy your own property. Next is actually owning your own rental property. This can be a great way to earn passive income monthly if you do it right. If you are curious how much you can potentially earn monthly on rental properties, I made a video about it, how much I earned in 5 properties. You can watch this here. And next on my list is my best bet, my top choice for investment, and that is yourself. Yes, ikaw. You are the best investment. Ikaw ang makapagbibigay ng pinakamalaking ROI or return on investment sa lahat ng mga nabanggit ko. If you keep investing on yourself to be better, learn more skills, padagdag ng padagdag ang knowledge mo, tataas ang market value mo, thus making you more valuable. You are your greatest asset. Sabi nga nila, di ba? You are your most important source of wealth. Imaginein mo na lahat ng mga savings mo, paper assets, real estate, lahat yan mawawala. Ano ang matitira sa'yo? Sarili mo, di ba? Your knowledge, your skills will remain with you regardless of the economy. Investing in yourself, in acquiring knowledge or skills is the most important investment you can make for your financial future. That's why I personally love taking courses, listening to podcasts, reading books, basta pandagdag ng kaalaman. Isa din ito sa lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kids ko, never stop learning. Kahit lumaki at tumanda na kayo, huwag kayong mag-stop mag-aral. Lagi kayong maging curious. Ito actually lagi kong ginagawa habang nagde-drive, naghuhugas ng pinggan o nagluluto, I listen to podcast or videos or something na may matututunan ako. For example, I follow people like Gary Vaynerchuk, Alex Hormozy about business and marketing. Or kung gusto kong lalong gumaling sa content creation, maghahanap ako ng mga content creation lessons and I binge watch or listen to it. I recommend platforms like Udemy and Skillshare if you want to learn and expand your knowledge and skills. And speaking of that, I am actually launching soon my very own platform if you want to learn and expand your knowledge and skills. If that's something that interests you, subscribe and stay tuned. Let me know in the comment section what would you like to try sa mga nabanggit ko or kung meron kayong mga idadagdag. Okay? And if you want to learn more from me, check this video next.